Well, g'day. We're at the salt caves and about to walk to the actual cave, so it's a nice area here. There's actual camping and toilets, so and a barbecue, so you can actually settle in here for a few days, which is good. The other thing of interest here is the forestry fire tower lookout, which I gather you can go up to, so that'll be interesting as well. So let's have a look. Salt caves. It's all in the name, or is it? They say it used to be a mile deep, but that's not the case today, although there are stories of people harvesting salty stalagmite hanging down from the ceiling. So over the years all of that has disappeared, so nobody knows whether we do have any salt in here or whether it was here in the first place. But given the history of this place, I'm assuming that was the original thing. But was it this cave or something else? You can't go in here, but it looks like it's full. Oh, we can go to the lookout. There's our objective, the tower. So let's continue. So we are located in the center of the Pilliga forest. That's why this tower is here, because from this hill and the tower you can see in every direction over the forest. And this watchtower was used to spot fires. Forest fires. Now it's probably more of a tourist attraction and a lookout, because there are other techniques used today, like satellite imagery, things like that, to spot fires. But the views should be interesting from there. It's a very narrow ridge here. Maximum capacity 20 people. Yep. There's only us chickens here. So let's go up. Up and up we go. Yes, you can already see the Warrumbungles from here. So. Climbing here is not for the faint-hearted, people who are afraid of heights. Okay, getting there. My wife is not entirely sure about this. All right, no more climbing for her. And we've reached the top. Now you can see the campsite from a bird's eye viewpoint. Pretty interesting. Feels a bit disconcerting looking down here because you can see all the way down. I just hope these iron grids are not going to cave in. So, what are we seeing here? There's a see it here. You can see the Warrumbungles from here. You can even see the Siding Springs glittering white dome. That's fantastic. The distance there, they say 63 kilometers, so that's a pretty good site. From here they say 390 kilometers to Sydney in a direct line, so disappears over the mist. That mountain range in the mist is Mount Capita National Park. Back to the Warren Bungles in Siding Springs. Pretty awesome view from here. What you would call bird's eye view. I must say the trees aren't very tall. All right.